everybody, it is time for a look at your Southern California fire outlook, and we'll start with yesterday, which kind of gave us a scare. We had the Beaver Fire that developed. This was east of North Hamul and also northwest of Phelps Corner. You can see the fire perimeter there circled in red. The good news is this afternoon, here's the latest stats. It's at 20.4 acres with 75% containment, and the forward progress of the fire has been stopped. So obviously firefighters have a much better handle on the flames today than they did yesterday at this time. Your fire hazards risk, as we look at them, it is hot out there, so that's the biggest contributing factor to any fires that start, but it's also very humid. It's soupy, I'm sure you've noticed as you stepped outside. So some of that moisture content in the air does help out a little bit by lowering the risk. The winds are also low outside of any thunderstorms that develop here the next couple of days, which we'll talk about in a second. It leads us to the next point, which is, yes, thunderstorms possible Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And some of those thunderstorms that we see could produce dry lightning, which basically means you get the lightning, you hear the thunder, but you don't get the rain from it. And oftentimes, some of those dry lightning strikes can start fires. So our overall risk is sort of in that medium to high category. Here's an exclusive tool, the fire risk area by area, and we'll go through time starting tomorrow morning. This is at 7 a.m. Notice low risk for everybody. As we get into the afternoon, temperatures start to warm up. Look at the other thing that happens. Thunderstorms start to develop here. And again, you can see some of the red contour over the mountains indicating a high fire risk because of the potential of some of those dry thunderstorms. Once we lose the daytime heating, the storms are gone, the fire risk lowers. Heading into Monday afternoon, we're going to kind of do this all over again with pop-up showers and thunderstorms. So you can see over the mountains and into the deserts, that fire risk jumps right back up into the medium to high category. And then same thing with Tuesday. Fire risk is elevated for everybody, and you can see actually all the way out to the coastline, or at least the 15 corridor, we're getting into the moderate fire risk. Reason being, I think Tuesday will be the day that potentially some of these showers and thunderstorms, dry lightning strikes could spill over west of the mountains and maybe into our valleys or as far west as the coastline. So we'll watch that closely. Let's put this all together, show you your 7-day fire weather risk outlook. Tomorrow I have us at a medium category. Monday and Tuesday I've jumped us up to high because of the chance of dry thunderstorms. And then beyond that, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday we dry out. We're back down to the medium category. This time of year, it's hard to get anything lower than a medium fire risk just because it's heat. Also we have not seen much rainfall out there, so because of that, there's always going to be a heightened fire risk each and every day. But for right now, Monday and Tuesday look like the days that are going to stand out.